My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mercedes Auto Sleepers Winchcombe. This vehicle has done just under 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our two beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, these slide out, making this motorhome 2 belts, 2 berth. Just behind we have our TV. Then moving on to our kitchen area, we have our microwave, fridge freezer, our sink, cooker and oven. Next up is our bathroom. We have our toilet, lots of space for storage, our sink and shower. As we move on to the front of the vehicle, we can see that we can access our radio, media and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with our reversing camera. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.